all getting something, from a teacher to a chef, students to customers.
I try to learn as much as possible with the recipes we get.
It's a wonderful experience, and you'll love it.
Hey foodies, Lisa here, and I am with Chef Steve from Estrella Mountain Community College's Culinary Arts program. And I have a question for you at home, and then Chef Steve, what do you think is one of the #1 staple food items that you can use in all your dishes?
Well, that'd be rice. It's a very versatile item.
I could think Spanish cuisine, Indian cuisine, Asian cuisine.
Absolutely. Asian cuisine, it's infinite. We encourage our student population to bring their culture and heritage into the classroom with their family recipes and share it with their fellow students and faculty.
And how about the program and the cafe you have here?
Yes, we're a very vibrant program. We have a culinary studies and baking and pastry program, and we also operate a restaurant regions.
They always have very good recipes. No matter what they make, it's always very flavorful and colorful, and the quality is always there.
I tell everybody how awesome it is, and we always get a nice group together.
It's awesome to see their faces, like while they're enjoying the food. It's amazing.
And one item you may have on the menu that you're definitely gonna love is fried rice.
Yes.
So here are the ingredients you need. So now that we cooked the rice and we let it chill, it is time to fry the rice up. Chef Steve, what are we gonna do?
Well, we're going to start by mixing soy sauce with some oyster sauce. So why don't you go ahead and do that?
Just literally put them together?
Put the soy sauce in with the oyster sauce.
Did I do that correctly? I hope I did.
Yes.
You guys ready for this? I know I am.
You don't have to do as fast as me. You can slow down.
Okay. You made it look too easy. You were like, shh.
People eat with their eyes
They do. It's very visual.
before they taste, so we want to make it look nice on the plate.
From now on, I am always cutting my green onions at a 45-degree angle. It does look so much nicer than what I do. All right. Okay, so I just flip this over.
Yes, place the egg on top of the rice. There you go.
And now my favorite part. Let's eat, right? I have to get a little bit of the egg. Let's see the creation that we did. Mmm. It's perfect. I can taste the fried rice and the mushrooms. Everything about this is perfect.
The Culinary Arts program is amazing and rewarding.
And they do such a good job teaching the students to do this. And they really are able to execute all these recipes in a very professional way.
I feel like this culinary program we have here is probably one of the best in the state of Arizona. As far as the instructors, their level of knowledge, their years they put into the business, it's awesome.